Real estate agents are one of the best clients you can possibly have for a recurring monthly service that pays you handsomely. And I'm going to prove it to you right now. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 specific AI services that real estate agents genuinely need and willingly pay $300 to $500 a month for. And here's the part that just blows me away. Almost nobody is out there offering them these services effectively. If you've ever wanted a side hustle that pays you every single month like clockwork from clients who actually have money and actually feel the pain of not having what you're offering, this is it. Let's go. But before we get into it, real quick, if you get value from this video, would you please do me a favor? Like it, share it with someone who you think could also benefit from this. Subscribe if you haven't already, and drop the word agent in the comments below. When you do, I'm going to hook you up with a package that I put together specifically for people who are serious about making real income and making this happen fast. We're talking my 30-day free trial link to the software that powers everything I'm about to show you, the same software I use to make my money, access to my private community where I personally help you get your first paying client fast, my complete AI assistant course, pre-built AI assistants, pre-built websites, scripts, funnels, the whole thing. I have literally built everything that I'm about to reveal to you in this video. So be sure to stick around to the end because I'm going to tell you everything that's included. It's a lot. Now, let's get into these 5 services. All right, here's why real estate agents are such a perfect client for this. They're out in the field all day. They're showing houses, driving between appointments, sitting in closings. They can't be glued to a phone or a computer, and every single time they miss a call, miss a follow-up, or drop the ball on a lead, they potentially lose a commission worth $10,000, $20,000, sometimes a lot more. The pain is real, the budget's there, and most of them are using zero automations right now. That combination is exactly what you're looking for in a client. Service 1 is the AI voice assistant. This is the big one. This is the big one. And if you only offer one service, make this it. An AI voice agent answers every single call that comes into the agent's phone. It greets the caller professionally using the agent's name and brokerage. It asks what they're looking for, qualifies them. Are they buying, selling? What's their timeline? Have they been pre-approved? It captures their contact information and immediately sends a text to the agent with the full summary. The agent is out showing a house and their phone buzzes. New lead, Sarah Johnson, buyer, 90-day timeline, pre-approved at $650,000, wants 3-bedroom in Scottsdale. This is a hot lead handed to them on a plate. You build this inside the GoHighLevel software using the AI agent feature. You set it up once, you charge the agent every month to run it, and you barely have to touch it after that. The service alone at $297 to $397 a month with just 10 clients is almost $4,000 a month in recurring income. This is where you want to start. Service 2 is called Missed Call Text Back. And this is one of the easiest sells in the world. Any call the agent misses, any call at all, automatically triggers a professional text message to the caller within seconds. Something like, "Hi, this is Sarah with eXp Realty. So sorry I missed you. I'm with a client right now. Can you tell me what you're looking for and I'll call you back within the hour?" That's it. The caller stays warm instead of moving on to the next agent on the list. And this is literally a 3-minute setup in GoHighLevel. You can offer it as a standalone entry-level service at $97 to $197 a month, which is a great foot-in-the-door starter, actually. And once they see it working, and they will, upselling them to the full AI voice assistant is a natural next conversation. Service 3 are Google review automations. Every single real estate agent needs more Google reviews, period. Reviews are how they get found, it's how they get trusted, and how they beat the competition. But here's what actually happens after a closing. The agent is already on to the next deal and the client never gets asked for a review. It just doesn't happen. You fix this with a simple GoHighLevel automation. After a closing, the agent enters the client into a workflow and the system automatically sends a text. Maybe 2 or 3 days later, when the excitement of the new home has set in, it says something like, "Hey, client name, it was such a pleasure helping you find your home. If you have 60 seconds, we'd love it if you left us a Google review. It makes a huge difference for our small business. Here's the link." It's one setup and it runs forever. Agents see their review count climbing every month and they attribute it directly to you because it's about you. It's because of you. And that's a client who never leaves. Service 4 is your sphere of influence reactivation. Every real estate agent has a database. Past clients, leads that didn't convert, referral contacts. Most agents have hundreds of people in that database who they haven't talked to in months or years. Those people are sitting on a gold mine. Past clients move again, they refer friends, they have families buying or selling, and the agent who stays top of mind gets that business. You build an automated sequence in GoHighLevel that reaches out to this database on a regular cadence, not pushy, not cheesy sales messages, just helpful, friendly touch points. Like, "Hey, Dawn, home values in your neighborhood just went up 8%. I thought you'd like to know. If you're ever curious what your home is worth, I'm always happy to chat." 3 or 4 of those messages a year, and that agent is top of mind with their entire past client list without lifting a finger. You build it once, it runs forever, and they pay you every month for it. All right, Service 5 is an open house follow-up automation. Open houses are one of the best lead sources in real estate and one of the most wasted. Agents spend a Sunday afternoon meeting potential clients, collecting names and phone numbers on a sign-in sheet, and then those contacts sit in a folder and get followed up with maybe once, maybe never. You solve this completely. After every open house, the agent simply uploads those contacts into GoHighLevel and a pre-built follow-up sequence kicks off automatically. A text that evening, "Hey, great meeting you today at 42 Maple Drive, Dawn. If you have any questions or want to see any other properties, I'm here." A follow-up 3 days later, another one in a week after that. By the time most agents are thinking about following up, your client has already done it 3 times automatically. That's the kind of result that makes a client feel like you are magic. And here's a quick note on pricing. You can offer any of these 5 individually as standalone services starting around $97 to $297 a month. But the real money, and honestly the best value for the agent, is in bundling. Offer services 1, 3, and 4 together as a complete agent automation package at, $497 to $697 a month, and it becomes a no-brainer. They get AI voice answering, review collection, database reactivation, all running automatically. One client, one package, $500 plus a month. Land 10 of those and you've built something real. All right, earlier I told you that if you like, share, subscribe, and comment agent, I'd hook you up with something special. I want to tell you exactly what that means because I don't want you to scrub past this. Remember at the beginning of the video, I told you that you don't have to build anything? That's right. I've built it all in advance and can drop everything right into your free 30-day trial of the software. First, you get my free trial link to GoHighLevel. That's the software that runs every single service I just walked you through. And through my link, you get a full 30 days completely free. 30 days to build it out, test it, set up your first client system, and potentially get paid before you ever spend a dollar. Second, you get an invitation to my private group, my private community, where I personally help members get their first paying clients fast. Not a chatbot, not a pre-recorded course sitting in a library somewhere. Me, personally in there answering questions and helping you get moving and get profitable. Third, and here's where it gets really good, I'm also giving you my complete AI assistance course that teaches you everything step by step from the very beginning. Plus, pre-built websites for your business so you're not starting from scratch, all my scripts, the exact words that get real estate agents to say yes, my funnels, pre-built AI voice assistants that you can deploy immediately, my GoHighLevel snapshots, and I'm even going to walk you through how to handle every objection a real estate agent might throw at you. So when they push back, you know exactly what to say that gets them to say yes. I'm basically handing you a done-for-you business. Everything is pre-made. You just need to show up and use it. To get all of it, just hit that like button. Share this video with one person who you know could benefit from this, and subscribe. And type the word agent in the comments right now. Then check the pinned comment. I've left the exact instructions for how to claim everything right there, and I'll personally make sure you get it all. Real estate agents are out there right now. They're missing calls, they're losing leads, and wishing someone would just handle the technology side of their business for them. That someone can and should be you. Start this weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.
That was easy.